What's up, creators? We have some news for you. So, the news is that we are moving from Lakeland, Florida to... First of all, Lori and I match.
We sure do.
We are moving to Fort Valley, Georgia.
Nothing like it.
We'll find out. So you may ask, okay, Fort Valley, Georgia, where are you staying at? We are remodeling this apartment right here. It's pretty much like a studio, basically. We are remodeling it, redesigning it. I'll take you inside on a little bit tour, just to let you know it is, there's a lot of stuff to be done. So I'll show it to you. And like I said, we're going to
Stay tuned for the next episode.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.